Hello and welcome back to Homesteading Northern Michigan. Today we're going to be slabbing up that log that's on the mill here. Look at that, all that dark in the, maple's usually this color, the real light stuff. It doesn't have this dark heart. So she's going to be made into some live edge slabs. So let's get milling, guys. Woo-wee. We'll get these hosed up after I'm done cutting this log, and you can really see the beauty in this. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I think you're going to be extremely happy with how these turned out. Wow. That is just beautiful, isn't it? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Do you think tiger maple's prettier? Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Not to get a reflection, so I just sprayed them. This has got some punky dead stuff right there, but look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Here's the last cut. I am definitely happy these are going in the slab pile. I don't know how I passed that up. Look at that spot. So that knot up there is a little punky too, it looks like. But fill that with some black epoxy. Woo! Wow. That was a nice, nice little cut there, wasn't it, guys? I'll quickly show you the other side. There ain't nothing special over there. Here's our metal we hit. Right here, the other piece will be in the first cut. Yeah, that's lead. That's definitely lead. So we got our second cuts here. They don't look so good on this side. That's why I said it's nothing special. That is beautiful, guys. That is beautiful. I couldn't be happier with how this log turned out, guys. So, I would like to thank you for watching Homesteading Northern Michigan. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell. You guys have a blessed day. Peace. And a super special thank you to all my Michiganders. Your support is appreciated. If you want to help support this channel and become a Michigander, check out that join button, or you can check out my Teespring store.